Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about saving money on everyday expenses. We all know that every penny counts, so I've put together 10 genius hacks that will help you save money without sacrificing your lifestyle. Whether you're looking to cut back on your grocery bill, lower your energy bills, or just save money in general, these tips will help you do just that. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's get started with these 10 genius hacks for saving money on everyday expenses. Hack number 1. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you a ton of money, especially on items that you use frequently. Stock up on non-perishable items like toilet paper, paper towels, and cleaning supplies to get the best deals. Hack number 2. Shop with a list before heading to the grocery store or any other shopping destination. Make a list of the items you need. This will help you avoid impulse purchases and save you money in the long run. Hack number 3. Use coupons. Coupons are a great way to save money on everyday purchases. Look for coupons in your local newspaper, online, or through a coupon app like Honey or Rakuten. Hack number 4. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive, so try cooking at home more often. You can save money by buying ingredients in bulk, planning meals in advance, and using leftovers for future meals. Hack number 5. Cancel subscriptions. We often sign up for subscriptions that we don't really need. Take a look at your monthly bills and see if there are any subscriptions you can cancel to save money. Hack number 6. Use cashback apps. Cashback apps like Ibotta and Dosh offer cashback on purchases you make every day. Simply link your credit or debit card, and start earning money back on your purchases. Hack number 7. Buy generic brands. Generic brands often have the same quality as name brand products, but at a lower price. Try switching to generic brands for items like medication, cleaning supplies, and groceries. Hack number 8. DIY projects. DIY projects can save you money and also be a fun activity. Try making your own cleaning supplies, furniture, or decor to save money and add a personal touch to your home. Hack number 9. Use energy-saving devices. Energy-saving devices like LED light bulbs and smart thermostats can help you save money on your energy bills. They're also better for the environment. Hack number 10. Shop secondhand. Shopping secondhand can be a great way to save money on clothing, furniture, and other items. Check out thrift stores, garage sales, and online marketplaces to find great deals. Conclusion. Those were my 10 genius hacks for saving money on everyday expenses. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any other money-saving tips to share. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's it for today's video on 10 genius hacks for saving money on everyday expenses. I hope you found these tips helpful and can start implementing them in your daily life. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to saving money. So, if you have any other money-saving tips, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.